My name is Marta Herrera, and I am the Global Director for Social Impact at Cemex, a global construction materials company proudly Mexican with operations in 50 countries committed to the purpose of building a better future. The main driver for the private sector's involvement in disaster risk reduction is the protection of the people and of the business integrity, including its value chain. Apart from this, the private sector is the main source of innovation and investment for infrastructure changes that need to be conducted in order to establish a better future for all. The private sector participates of Mexico's disaster risk governance through the Private Sector Alliance for Resilient Societies, ARISE. I am honored in being the president of ARISE in Mexico network and co-chair of ARISE globally, along with Mami Mitsutori, head of the United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction. It is worth mentioning that we all have allies like SENACED in Mexico, among others, that work together to promote a coordinated action concerning prevention, preparation, response, and mitigation. Disaster risk reduction is imperative in a world exposed to climate change and set as a priority by UN for 2030. Uncertainty will be the new norm if we don't limit our negative impact. Now, more than ever, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are talking about adapting, preparing, and changing, which is key to understanding and boosting resilience and properly managing our risks. Also, we need to continue learning to deal with ambiguity and be prepared to prevent further human loss above all. ARISE Mexico works to increase the capacity of resilience through training and tools that support the businesses of all sizes to planning for local risks and recovery disasters, whereas SENACED also supports with courses for elaboration of business continuity plans, as well as in the attention of emergencies through psychological assistance, temporary infrastructure of health, and first necessity products for the most vulnerable communities. With these actions, we do not only try to enhance the private sector facing or coping with a disaster, but also we aim to build resilient and prepared surrounding communities. Today, disaster risk reduction is at the core of enterprise risk management and in some cases at the core of the business strategy, delivering solutions to prevent disasters. In the ARISE network in Mexico, we continuously collaborate between members and multi-sectoral committees and partnerships to create appropriate insurance schemes to train SMEs on resilience, and particularly with the public sector to further engage with multiple stakeholders to promote widespread knowledge of disaster risk reduction. We also develop disaster recovery programs with cost-efficient infrastructure. Recently, during the COVID pandemic, we mobilized our networks to create the resilience protocol for SMEs, which was shared by our partner commerce, the Chambers of Commerce in Mexico, and we also led webinars aimed towards making business resilient to any disruption of businesses as usual. In this International Day of Disaster Risk Reduction, we are confident that we will continue raising awareness to prevent any loss, either material, but most importantly, human lives. The union of and collaboration with peers locally and around the world are our best tools to face any challenge. Let's keep cooperating and collaborating to have a resilient culture in our society.